if you're running a business, you know the goal is that we want to grow faster year over year. In order to do that, you need to increase your sales and you need to generate leads. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to create one of the most effective lead magnets to get more eyeballs onto your products and get those returning customers. Ebooks. Let's get into it. Ebooks are simple. As the name implies, they're material that you read online. Ebooks can be packed with plenty of different information relating to different topics, from marketing and business, health and wellness, to even planning for your next vacation. But the most effective ebooks for businesses should be educational and provide readers with a ton of value that they can apply in skill sets related to your business. Like the ebook we produced at Visme that gives practical and simple design tricks to take your presentations from meh to stunning. And you can still check out that free ebook at the link in the description box down below. So how do we use ebooks to generate real organic leads anyway? Simple. You give them away for free. Kinda. Okay, let me explain. But first, we need to understand what a lead magnet actually is. Lead magnets are online incentives that marketers use for prospective clients in exchange for their email addresses or other contact information. Ultimately, ebooks need to be a worthwhile product, or else you run the risk of losing a potential customer because they didn't get the value that they were expecting. The information needs to be well researched, formatted for engagement, which we'll cover later in this video, and fit the interests of your ideal customer profile. But how do we distribute the ebooks so we actually increase our leads? You can use various content streams like forum communities, your own website's blog, your email list, or even social media like Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or even YouTube. I mean, the link in the description of this video is a lead magnet for us. And you can provide links to your ebook all over the web, wherever your brand has a strong community presence. Now, be sure that your lead magnet has a specific landing page for the audience to refer back to and can sign up using their email. And what's really cool is that this email can be used to grow your overall email list and segment users into specific email campaigns that you can use in the future. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This is great and all, but how do you actually make an ebook? How do you make one that's actually going to be engaging for an audience, keep them reading all the way through, and want to continue engaging with your brand? This is where Visme comes in. Here at Visme, we're an all-in-one design and content creation platform that can help you build and lay out your ebooks. So we might not be able to help you with 100% of your writing, but we can help you design a professional ebook that you can feel comfortable sharing with any customer or potential partner. Therefore, let me share some essential guidelines for constructing your ebook. Now, if this is your first ebook or you haven't been happy with the ones you've made in the past, don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to use a template. With Visme's hundreds of ready-made templates, we can help you with designs specific to your niche. But I get it. A pre-made template might not line up with your exact vision. You want something more personalized to your goals. Now that's where Visme's AI designer tool will help quickly generate personalized assets that suit the needs of your ebook. And of course, nobody wants a boring ebook. It needs to look good. Use high-quality photos and images in your ebook, like the vast stock library provided by Visme. If you don't have any images that fit your context, Visme's AI image generator is a great solution. And let's be real, ebooks have evolved. A large amount of your audience might not have the time or the ability to even read your ebook. Maybe they just prefer to ingest media in different ways, so make your ebook accessible to as much of your audience as you possibly can. You should try embedding videos or add audio narration so people can enjoy your ebook passively.
In 2022, 90% of businesses used Facebook for social media marketing, followed by Instagram 85%, LinkedIn 70%, and Twitter 65%.
And once you finish designing your ebook in Visme, whether it's plain text, multimedia, interactive, or animated, you can decide to download or share your ebook as a digital or printable PDF to ensure your content and words stay in their designated area when professionally printed. And this is also where you'll find the link to share with the leads that fill out the form to download your ebook. By creating a free ebook that your audience found truly valuable and worth sharing, you may have just earned yourself a lifetime customer. For more design tips and the most up-to-date methods to grow your business, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell. If you'd like more details about using Visme's design features to create your own ebook, consider checking out our other YouTube video. I'm Jason from Visme, helping you design better for your business.